Rahim. In today's lecture, we are solving problem 1.2 from Fundamental of Engineering Thermodynamics by Michael J. Moran from this book. Problem 1.2 is as illustrated in figure P1.2. This is figure P1.2. Electric current flow from storage battery. Electric current from storage battery. This is battery. Electric current runs an electric motor. The shaft of the motor is connected to a pulley mass assembly. With this pulley mass assembly that raises a mass. Considering the motor as a system, identify location on the system boundary, interact with its surrounding, and describe the change that occur within the system with time. Repeat for an enlarged system that also include the battery and pulley mass assembly. There are two parts of the problem. One, if the motor is system and if this motor is system and remaining all things are surrounding. So uh, locate those points where there is boundary interaction between system and surrounding. So first, when battery supply current to the motor, it means that electric current flow. There is work energy interaction, electric work energy interaction, and these this interaction is in form of electric current flow in the wire, electric electric current flow from surrounding to system, from surrounding to system, because in this case battery is surrounding and motor is system. Electric current flow from battery to motor, so electric current flow from surrounding to system. Similarly, this torque is rotating, this part is surrounding outside from the system. So this shaft, when shaft is rotating, when shaft is rotating, torque is transmitted, torque is transmitted, trans is transmitted, and this is also work energy interaction. Torque is transmitted from system to surrounding. Work in this is second energy, work energy interaction. Similarly, this is first work energy interaction, current flow from surrounding to system. This is second, shaft is rotating, torque transmitted from system to surrounding. This is second interaction. Third interaction is heat transfer between motor boundaries and surrounding. Number third is, this is second. Number third is warm surfaces, warm surfaces of motor interacts with surrounding, with surrounding. This is also work energy interaction. And temperature of motor parts can change. So basically this is this is a heat transfer between system and surrounding. Now second part of the question is, this is the first part of the question. Second part of the question, repeat for an enlarged system that also include the battery and pulley mass. When this whole is system, this is system, and outside the system is surrounding. Now we cannot consider the current flow because this is system, not system and surrounding. Battery is also system. In this case battery is system and motor is also system, and mass is also system. This whole is system. So now torque transmitted, we cannot say that torque transmitted is work energy interaction between system and surrounding, because now all these is system, there is no surrounding in motor and mass. Similarly, there is no work energy interaction between battery and motor, because both are systems, not surrounding. Now one 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 thing, important thing, this work energy interaction between system and surrounding is the warm parts of battery and motor. Battery and motor interact with surrounding. Similarly, chemical changes occur in the battery. Chemical changes occur in the battery. So these two possible work energy interaction between this system and surrounding, and other first and second, that are not possible. First and second are not possible in this case, because first and in this case battery, motor and mass are system. So the problem is completed, and for more videos please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.